We all have our own ideas of what is acceptable and what is not acceptable in the classroom. Some of my classes have their own classroom rules. Let's have a look at one example. Are they the same as your rules?
Please attend classes punctually.
Make sure you're on time.
Please get ready before lessons.
Do you have all your books and everything you need for your lesson?
Please remain silent throughout the lessons.
Don't be disruptive.
Please raise your hand before any questions.
This helps you not to talk over others.
Please keep your table clean.
Ah, nice clean tidy desk.
I love it. Please keep the classroom tidy and care for the classroom facilities.
Don't break stuff.
Please knock on the door first before entering the classroom.
Knock, knock. Who's there?
Please respect your teachers and love your classmates.
We are looking for mutual respect. Do you agree with these rules? How are they different from your classroom rules?